ancestrals. They're clever and useful, they are.
Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the troops before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His bark's are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry. Great shakes at magic.
Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem.
That was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Ruddy lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns.